Are you ready for this? Every so often I get to try out new products, and today is one of those days. LokLik sent me the iPaint, and I could not be more excited. I don't know that much about it yet, but the iPaint basically uses AI to create a paint by number from any photo. I spent the day cleaning my craft table just to get ready for this. Let's unbox this. As per usual, it is well packed. You have, let's see, a little envelope with the directions, what is included, which is an X-axis slider, a Y-axis slider, connection screw, screw lid, Phillips screwdriver, power adapter, Type-C USB cable, canvas ×2, 48 colors of acrylic paint, acrylic paintbrushes ×3, heat erasable pen ×2, gel pen ×1, silicone pen grip ×1, masking tape ×1, and of course the user guide envelope, which is this. It gives you the device installation all on this card, so that is pretty easy, and we're just going to do it. All right, let's unpack everything first. This is the X-axis slider. Here's the Y-axis slider. Okay, we have our pens, our brushes, our plug, our USB cord, screwdriver, canvas, our acrylic paint set, and our masking tape. All right, let's see how quick and easy this is. You pull out the connector of the Y-axis slider, which is this, and insert it into the slot of the X-axis slider, which is right here. There we go. Ensure the two sliders are fully aligned and assembled. Alrighty, so how do we do this? So we must go like this right here. Awesome. Easy. Now I need my screwdriver. Boy, this is a lot easier than I expected. Now all I have to do is put the screw down in here. They even sent me the screwdriver. Put the plug right on here. You can use images from the library, or you can upload your own. Since this is the first time using the iPaint for me, I decided to use kind of an easy image, and it's perfect for Halloween. I'm going to do a witch who's silhouetted against the moon. We are going to turn this. Let's try line art and see what happens. Let's go oil painting, and let's go simple. This is not a complex image, so let's do that. Okay. It's pretty good. I'm going to apply. And we're going to make. Now we're going to connect our device, which is with USB. We're going to search for it. All right, we are going to do the LokLik paint. Complete the connection. We're going to do oil painting. Okay, so we're going to hit make. We want to change the size, transfer to paint by numbers. We're going to hit that. So I'm going to lower this pen so it hits. There we go. There's a couple of canvases that came with the iPaint. So we're going to just use one of these. So we're going to put it right under here. Well, it worked. I think I might have had it down just a little too far. This comes with a bunch of paints, and I think part of it doubled up on some of these lines, and I think that's my fault. I may have done it as a PNG file rather than a JPEG, and that may have caused it to go over there twice. I think I was missing a step. So as I learn more, the better it will be. So I'm just going to kind of guess on my colors. Obviously, these are black, and this is going to be like a purple, and then the moon is going to be a yellow. So I'm just going to kind of select whatever colors I want. These are the colors provided, and if you want to use your own paints, do that instead. And I believe these are just acrylic paints. So there's nothing crazy about it, and I'm wondering if you can do this on watercolor also, because that would be pretty cool. So all I'm going to do is paint right over all the different sections. Anything that needs to be black will just be painted black, and so on and so forth. If I just draw a smiley face on the envelope and I hit it with my heat gun, it disappears. It's like it's not even there. So that works even under paint. Here, let's do this. I'm gonna take a highlighter. Well, I didn't let it dry enough, but that's okay. There you go, it disappears. So this is very cool in and of itself. And under your paintings, which is also why I think a watercolor would be very cool, because if you do the watercolor, you can make your outlines or whatever disappear if you use this pen. So I think I would like to try it on different papers, and maybe like for cards, this would be really cool to do a card that you can then hand paint. So it's pretty cool. Now on canvas, you can just, I was very rough around my edges, but on canvas, like I could cut this out and I can make like a pillow, or I can frame it and put it in, you know, a dollar store frame or something like that and put it out for Halloween. Whatever you want to do is totally cool. And I did use I used my Sharpie marker just to make some of the edges a little bit more crisp. And that was just a choice that I did, but really there's no reason. You don't have to use paint, and you don't really have to use canvas. So I'm thinking even paper with paint or paper with different markers would be a very cool alternative to use with this also. Let me know what you think. This was my first try, and I think I'm gonna have a fun time getting to know my iPaint. Let me know what you think about the iPaint. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you over at this project. And remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter.